time for the bike to be cleaned for a small ride, and the wash has started getting all ready. The bike is clean. Look at it. The man behind it is Zishan. Hi, Boljisan. And Aston, my bro from AR Motorheads, whose workshop it is. Just got a chain lube well done. What is up, YouTube? Good morning, friends. And this vlog is going to be a short ride that I'll be taking. I'll show you all where I'm heading to. First things first, I'll be going to the church. Safety first, helmet for the pilot. Hey guys, so I'm all set. Time to leave. Blessings taken. A short ride, maybe 50 kilometers. Not much. I have my pilot rider with me. Okay, so just a small stop for breakfast at Vienna Bakery, one of the famous bakeries in Vakola. Alright guys, the sun is up already. You can see the sun is up. It's too hot. However, I just got fueled up and now non-stop to the journey that we are going to ride. You'll see the roads on the way, how it is after rains. This is my first ride after rain, in fact. So let's see how it is. Let's find out the experience. And here we go on the expressway. Road seems okay, but then there were patches which were not good at all. Heading towards Vikhroli highway. What a beautiful view from Vikhroli bridge. I'm sure you'll know where this place heads to. Let's go a little quick and I'll take you all to the Mulund toll. So we crossed the Mulund toll and then we headed towards Bhiwandi. While there was a slight traffic around, so let's quickly cross the toll and I'll show all the traffic, which was short, but due to the bottleneck, definitely there was congestion. And let me cross the toll now. So here we go, cross the toll. No toll so far. As per the government, they said that there would be toll even for the bikes. So far nothing showing, nothing there. So hope that it continues. And there I could get that short traffic. And again here, super fantastic roads. Again, the roads here definitely not good because a lot of work done over here, which was not steady and not neat at all. Now from here we take a right towards Bhiwandi. That's where we are heading to. So on the left, if we go from the left, we go to Ghodbunder Road. So you can see the bridge that goes through Ghodbunder Road. Again, a small bottleneck. Luckily, this time we did not get any traffic compared to previously at this hour of the day. There's a bridge becoming up. So definitely once the bridge is up, the traffic will definitely be next to no traffic, as it would be possibly a 4-lane road. So let's see how it is in near future. But currently the state of the road is still fine. There are patches, divergence, because of which there's short traffic, but apart from that, the road is fine so far. identified that there's some fire caught up. We could see smoke coming around from if you see the right side or the sky, the smoke just started to pile up. This is the start, and while we went ahead, we understood what that smoke was all about. So you all will see that. So if you see it is increased. So here is where we go below the bridge and take a right from there. You don't have to take the bridge. We just have to come below the bridge and take a right. You need to be very careful at this junction because there's no signal and vehicles come around from everywhere. So you need to be very cautious while you cross. Vehicles can come from any side. As soon as we took the right and we went a bit ahead, that's when we realized that the smoke is coming from this lane itself or the side itself. So as we got closer, we understood that we can go ahead and see what is it all about. So what we did is we went ahead and took a left ahead to see what the smoke is all about, and that's when we identified that it's a factory that has caught fire. It's a dyeing factory basically, which dyes clothes and also that's the reason there's all fire all around. So guys, as you can see flames coming out from the window, and it was a crazy fire caught up in that factory or the building I would say. And look at the smoke around, look at the people around taking videos. I'm sure there would be some vloggers as well doing vlogging while this happens. It's very unfortunate that the fire brigade came a little late. We couldn't stay there for long, so we had to leave as we had to still reach a destination as early as possible. Here you would see the submarine made. Looks really beautiful. And the road is good. So this is where we, from the circle we take it. There's slight right that we need to take and go straight from there. The road is little bad, and again there's no signal around here, so we need to be very careful while we cross. The bikes, cars just coming. Now the one challenge that we faced here was the bridge of Sahad was closed down and under for renovation. So we had to come all the way around from Kalyan to Ulhasnagar and then the side. And there was crazy traffic which took us another 45 minutes to cross that road because the bridge that was there around was too narrow, and then there only could one vehicle from one side and the other vehicle from the other side. So that means two vehicles on the bridge could cross, and because of which there was a lot of traffic. But eventually we made it. It took us 45 minutes to cross that path, and we made it to the lane that we usually take. And we see a lot of halls around the lawns that are there for weddings. It's a good place. We'll finally be arriving at our location, and it is Tabor Ashram that we were heading to. So Tabor Ashram, if you go straight, just few minutes from here, and on the right hand side you would see the mountain, which means you realize, you understand that be close. And we get there. Here we are. We have reached Tabor Ashram. You can see this is the entrance, and this is the parking area. So guys, we finally reached, and we've reached. This is Tabor Ashram, and this is the parking area. I have also put in a video or a reel which will show you all the entire place. I'll put the link in the description as well so you all can view it. Hey guys, so we're finally here, if you can see. This is the place. It's him who has recorded the video all throughout the journey. So thanks to him. The video credit goes to him. So you'll see that.
If there is anything hidden in our life,